Welcome back. Here at Serenity Farms, we're going to be building a Cannagar using Cannagar Solutions. It's a very nice piece of equipment. Put the top on. You want to give these a firm push, a little bit more than what you'd normally do. You'll be putting pressure on the inside of this. So. Next, put the sticks in. The sticks are reusable. Make sure they're all seated in there. You'll be using this tool to press it. Something similar to this to put it down in there. The design is a little bit difficult to work with because it just makes a mess. Very simply, just take some tape, fold it over on itself, and I gotta take this off camera, but give yourself a little bit of a ridge. I think the manufacturer should come up with something better than this, but it will make a big difference. If you don't have it, you can still do it. It's just really messy. So now you've got this little bit of a ridge here. Place for the hemp here. Keeping in mind this is all hemp, to make a hemp cigar using federally approved hemp products, all organic, grown in our backyard, so to speak. So let's fill this up. I try to do this without making too much of a mess and still stay on camera. You got this. Now you just need to fill it. Here's some examples of the hemp grown here right in Mission. Outdoor grow. Cured out to about 58, 62%. I do use these, 58%. I like these. 58% a little bit better than the higher ones. But that's just my preference. You use whatever you want. But let's get this off camera. And now here comes the part that's messy. I've already ground up some of this to use. Same hemp I had before, the smaller buds. You know, you're going to grind it up anyways. So now you're going to want to put the very first most important part in, which is the base, the part that you draw from. And you can see without this right here, that little piece of tape idea, it'd just be a mess all over. So you want to make sure you get it in there. You'll run across a couple small stems, but that's okay. It's a very chunky grind. I use a small coffee grinder. Normally I don't, but it does help. You just gotta be careful that you don't overgrind it. Get the first start in there. Then you're gonna be using a simple little tool here, which is just nothing more than a little press with a hole in it. You know, it does the job. Some people use straws. Straws work really good too to get pushed down and you started. And the first thing that happens is it pulls it out. So you want to make this very first part. As you can see what happened there when I push down in, it doesn't want to stay because that stickiness around this end builds up and it pulls right back out. So some very nice smelling hemp. So let me go through here and do this. Turn off the camera, probably edit out all this, but you get the idea. Put it down in there and then press it down in. But again, the most important part is this piece that you're going to draw from. You want to make sure that very first part is just as tight, pushed down as much as possible. It will be wrapped in the end with one of these hemp wraps. So everything here is within the 2018 Federal Farm Bill Act for hemp. Don't push all these down. Shake it. And again, without this piece right here, it's just a mess. Majority of the little stems, you could probably press down in there, because for the most part, when I'm making them for myself, it's chunkier. And some of those sticks just get pressed down in there. But for the most part, clean it out. Good. So I'm going to stop right there, fast forward, and get past this very first part, so you don't have to watch all this. It's been about 30 minutes. The process is just about complete. Just wanted to show you how it looked at the very end. Now, you won't touch these until tomorrow. I usually let them set for 24 hours. But one more time, Cannagar Solutions. All of these are available online at our website here at Serenity Farms. It's 100% hemp, tested by Greek League Labs in Michigan, state certified. If you're interested, visit us. Thank you.